Okay.
A chubby little snowman had a carrot nose. Along came a rabbit. What you suppose? The hungry little bunny was looking for his lunch. Eat the carrot's nose.
Good job. What about your Bible verse?
I don't know it.
Give
and
it will be given.
to you.
Look.
I know this part. Look, 6:38.
Oh, good job.
A chubby. Now